I'm going to explain two repositories made in Python I have in my YouTube site. The first one is called Amadeo-Michi Webcam Calculator MIDI. It is an algorithmic music MIDI file created by detection of hand by webcam and a summatory in a calculator. Well, I have to explain it. I open it with Tony, that is a Python IDE. I run the code. I open the webcam and my hands are detected for 10 seconds. My fingers, sorry. Then it opens the webcam triggers and open a calculator. If I make a summatory in the calculator, I will open a MIDI file, MIDI generated. So I stop the code, I stop Tony, and I open the MIDI file with music score. As you notice, it has melody and chords. So you see, it has a simple melody and chords. I close the MIDI file. If I open again with Tony the file and I run the code again and I make the steps again, you will notice that the MIDI file will have a composition totally different from the original one. You will notice it. It is completely different from the first one. The other one is called MIDI Quantifier, as a quantifier in mathematics. Quantifier of intervals and durations for the creation of an aleatoric MIDI file in a GUI, graphic user interface. And if I open it with Tony and I run the code, it shows me the intervals of the scale, but no tritone, no sixth, and the rhythmic figures that we have in the music. So I enter numbers or ranges, numerical ranges for each interval, and for each figure. it shows me the value, the numerical ranges for each interval and each rhythmic figure. And if I make here, I generate the MIDI file here. So MIDI file generated. And now I stop the code, I stop Tony, and I open the MIDI file. You can see it has a composition with the intervals and rhythmic figures you enter in the box. It hears like medieval music or later ancient music because it doesn't have three tone. And now again, if I stop this, I run the code with Tony again, and I enter different intervals. Different numerical ranges, sorry, for the intervals. You will see the MIDI file is generated in a different way with a different composition. If I do the same, for example, with the intervals, sorry, only second minor, third minor, fourth, and this figure and this one, you will see that the MIDI file will show different characteristics. It has only second minor, minor second, third second, and a fourth, and the rhythmic figures are only these ones. This is MIDI Quantifier. That is a quantifier of intervals and durations for the creation of an aleatoric MIDI file made in Python. And the other one is Amadeo-Michi Webcam calculator MIDI, algorithmic music file created by detection of hand by webcam and a summatory in a calculator, as well made in Python. Amadeo-Michi was my two cats, are my two cats, or was Amadeo was my old cat, and Michi is my actual cat. That's why I use these names for the software. And this is all, but if you see here, a minute. This is a composition for piano and xylophone made with the two softwares, mixing the music made in one software and in the other, and arranging the MIDI files to make a complete composition. You can hear it here. So this is all: Amadeo-Michi Webcam, Calculator MIDI, and MIDI Quantifier. 2 repositories in Python in my YouTube site. I am a Python programmer and musical composer from Plymouth, UK. José Ignacio Quevedo Gómez.